This question is from ratio and proportion. The sum of two numbers is 40 and their difference is 4. What is the ratio of two numbers? You don't know the two numbers. Assume x and y. So that the sum means the sum of two numbers is 40 and their difference is 4. First you find two numbers, then we will find ratio. Then if you see this one, you can cancel y minus y, then x plus x is 2x, 40 plus 4 is 44, then x will be 22. Two numbers, out of two numbers you got one number as 22 and you know the sum of two numbers is 40. If one number is 22, other number will be 40 minus 22, that is 18. They are asking to find the ratio of two numbers. Ratio means you know that is nothing but division. So 22 by 18. Always you know you should keep ratio in simplified form or in the reduced form. So common factor is 2, 2 11s are 2 9s are. So 11 by 9 can also be written as 11 is to 9. We know A is to B can also be written as A by B. So this can also be solved in other method. So in UPSC actually there is no difficulty in simplification, just we should understand the concept. So another method, sum is 40, difference is 4. Divide this 40 equally, it will become 20 and 20. Assume two numbers are 20 and 20. If you sum, if you add, sum will be 40. Yes, but difference is 0. 20 minus 20 is 0. So difference I should get 4. What you should do means this one also you divide equally. Then how to find number means for this 20 add this 2, for this 20 subtract this 2, then they are telling to find ratio. What is 20 plus 2? 22. What is 20 minus 2? That is 18. Then 2 11s are 2 9s are. 11 is to 9 will be the answer. So in traditional method we will do like this is in line simultaneous linear equation. So that this is easily we will get answer. So that always we should follow this method so that time will be saved in exam.